This phone tower looks like it's barely awake, but it's hiding a trick that bends the rules of speed in a way old networks couldn't even imagine. But the moment you see why it works, you realize the whole idea of signal has been quietly rewritten. So the earlier networks threw big, sloppy radio waves everywhere, which meant your phone had to wade through noise and distance before it could grab anything useful. But 5G flips that by carving the air into tiny, laser-like beams that chase your device instead of waiting for it to show up. Which means the tower can talk to hundreds of devices at once without tripping over itself. And that shift forces engineers to build antennas that act more like swarms than single pieces of metal. But that swarm is useless without shorter wavelengths. And those wavelengths behave almost like skittish animals that need lots of small towers to keep them steady. So streets fill with quiet little nodes, and the network starts acting less like a broadcast and more like a living mesh that reroutes around obstacles before you even notice a slowdown. Which means cars, hospitals, factories, and your pocket all share a heartbeat that updates in milliseconds. And that's why the real magic of 5G isn't speed at all, but the way it turns the whole world into one fast-thinking loop. So if you want to see where this loop goes next, stick around for the next step.